My video is about getting rid of the browser notifications and pretty scary messages that are related to the website Silvergrow.xyz. Silvergrow.xyz. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, then obviously there is a trouble with your computer right now. Pop-ups by Silvergrow.xyz may be the trace of certain adware to be currently enabled in your computer. It is extremely dangerous to interact with these pop-ups. They might display some misleading messages that try to encourage customers into downloading or installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up Silvergrow.xyz may display some scary content, and of course keep in mind that interacting with these pop-ups is dangerous. If you click on these buttons that are integrated into the pop-up, you may be brought to a lot of other shady resources in the internet. So do not install anything that they suggest, because you may be brought to the pages that promote some other potentially unwanted software. Also, your browser may periodically display some filthy ads that are not suitable for certain categories of people. This means that the browser is hijacked and it needs to be urgently fixed. So let us fix the issue. First of all, you should carefully research the control panel of your computer and remove any programs that could be suspicious. If you find them, right-click on them and uninstall them. Also, check the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools and Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions which you might find here. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your device to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.